Pick a number block to play with. 35. Keep exploring and meet more number blocks. You're about to meet number block 35. Can you add
3
to 32 and make number block 35? Drag number block
3.
onto number block 32. Hooray! This is number block 35. Brilliant! Ooh, a present. Tap on the present to open it. Yay! You've earned a moustache You've unlocked a new number block. Tap on the number block button to view the number blocks you've unlocked. Pick a number block to play with. 36. 32. 35. 36. Keep exploring and meet more number blocks. Can you dress up this number block? Or tap on the sticker book to see the stickers you've collected. Drag one of You're about to meet number block 36. Can you add
1
to 35 and make drag number block
1.
onto number block 35. Yay! This is number block 36. Spot on! Ooh, a present. Tap on the present to open it. Hooray! You've earned a moustache for the dressing up game. Can you multiply the number blocks to match the number on the moon? Drag the number blocks onto the launch pad to add them together. Tap go when you're ready to blast off. Let's blast off to the moon! Ready, steady, blast off! Tap on the present to open it. Hooray! You've earned a hat for the dressing up game.